feel sick,
And you'll say, love me.
if you don't feel so good, and tap the coochie, let them know that you're not feeling so good. They'll slow the aircraft down on it, but it ain't gonna happen. Sorry.
Just part of it.
Too bad.
Baby.
Suck it up.
Baby,
Just get the bag.
Suck it up, buttercups. Like I said, the plane, we're not gonna slow it down. Cedar Point got nothing on us. Like I said, Cedar Point, when the ride gets stuck at the top, they gotta call 911. With us, we just come right back down.
Right on down.
We ain't gotta wait for 911. We come right back down. Okay, he's gonna do a couple maneuvers. It's about a 10 to 12 minute flight. We'll do a couple hovers, bank turns. We'll do a hover, then they'll do a dip. Okay, we're gonna give you the roller coaster ride of a lifetime. Okay.
Nice.
You look scared. You scared?
No,
Hey,
I'm
God.
sure.
She's ready.
You're gonna have fun.
We're gonna light up now.
All right, good be doing. I recommend taking video because to watch you take off, nobody knows you're on there. Say you're on. No, sir. No, you got 100.
Mark Meldrum, Meldrum Sponsor Garage, and now we're going to really go on car rides with Mark, or should I say helicopter rides with Mark. We're getting on a 1966 Huey that was in Vietnam. We're following our LZ out there to make sure we're nice and safe. And we're going to get on this helicopter and hopefully it goes well. say is that was totally awesome. I think we went over the house. I think Patty caught us on video going over the house. And it was an amazing flight. I was right on the outside of the door. Felt like I was going to fall out the whole time. It was unreal. So kudos to everybody who flew on those aircraft during Vietnam or Desert Storm or whatever. I mean, you guys are brave. Way braver than I'll be ever on a joyride. And here goes the Ford Tri-Motor. Of course, you can see Mark Meldrum on the Ford Tri-Motor on Meldrum's Sponsor Garage from a couple years ago. We took this flight. So, and then last year we got a chance to be in the pilot's seat. And you can go see that on last year's Meldrum Sponsor Garage out here at Lorain County Airport. So once again, we're at Lorain County Airport, car show, airplane show, and we're having a heck of a time. I ran into Rob Ryder out here. He's going to take a flight. He's in line next. And yeah, it was, these guys were great. Felt safe the whole time, kind of not. Anyway, see ya. Oh, is this a little guy? Pretty cool. Think of that mini jet engine there. I'll put that on the back of my Jeep. What do you think? Looks like something out of a James Bond movie. Look at this. This is an aircraft that can land on water. I'm not sure what the technical name of this is. They had PBYs in World War II, but I'm not sure what this one's called. We'll find out. Pretty cool. A 1934 Wacko. 4 seats, cruises at 115 miles an hour. Got the old wooden propeller on there. Very cool. Built in Troy, Ohio. How about that? Wow, look at that radial engine. Bet it sounds glorious. That's a glorious smell of aviation fuel. Let me tell you, I love it. That is so cool. like starting up the Camaro right now. Got that 105 octane. They got a zigzag back and forth so they can see where they're going. Kind of comical to watch these guys fly that, because they're pointed up at the sky. They can barely see where they're going until they get in there and get it leveled out. Look at this beauty. I love it. 59 Impala. Man, oh man. Beautiful. Beautiful car. Just got done restoring a hardtop.
Oh, really?
It's red just like this. Yep. It's beautiful. Thank you, Herb, for the ride.
Hey, you're get out of here. Hey, hi, Gary.
And he knows everybody. He thinks I'm a local celebrity. He's the Pope of the joint. And we're having a wonderful ride here in the Stanley Steamer.
This is Gary Dick.
It's it.
Kind of one of the people.
It's like I'm in a, I don't know, what do you call it? Inside a fire burning stove. Oh my God. Oh, it even makes different.
As it dries off.
This is one of the guys that used to work for me, Andrew. This thing's kind of like Chitty Chitty Bang Bang. It does have wings, and we can take off.
That's pretty powerful, too.
It is. It is.
You know, 550 psi on a on 2 4-inch pistons. We'll get you quite some torque.
So here we are. We're back at Herb's luxury palace here at Lorain County Airport. What's your shirt say? Yes, I really do need all these cars. Absolutely.
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 Hey, Herb. Yes.
So we'll spend some time over here, relax, and catch my breath, and see what Herb's up to.
You have to empty out the boiler. Because otherwise all the crap is here boiled away. All the crap you boiled away is beautiful sterile water. But all the stuff that stays behind is whatever else is in that water. So when you're done with it, you make sure all the fires are out.
So cool. Oh, I have earplugs if he wants those. We got earplugs today. Okay, I'll take them. All right, now Herb's got me wearing earmuffs now, so who knows what's coming next when we blow out the steam on this sucker. We're gonna get in the front. There goes the helicopter that I flew on already. Very cool. I'm standing back. Gonna open up some valves. Very carefully, I might add. So he just left enough in there so that he could park it. And he's just got a little bit of steam left in there. And he'll get it parked and put away and put to bed for tonight. That is so cool. Oh my gosh. Wow. Oh my. Herb tells me this was a 1914 fire truck at one time. And it looks absolutely terrifying. I'm sure you got to be an engineer to figure this out. Wow. You really just, I mean, the thing is huge. I mean, it's sitting next to these micro cars like this Izetta, but it is absolutely humongous. Herb tells me it's terrifying too. I believe it. What a bunch of fun out here, I tell you. So cool. All right, only Herb would drive one of these with sandals on.
And double clutches.
Oh my. Listen to that chain drive. Wow.
And straight cut gears. So this was a fire truck in 1914.
Wow.
And so many hot rodded it.
Turned it into a race car, huh?
Well, it's very fast. Scary fast.
And we're on wooden wheels too, I might add.
Oh yeah, artillery wheels.
Pulling out all the stops. Just let me know when I need to pump the fuel pump, Herb.
It's got an electric fuel pump.
Oh, it's high tech.
Oh yeah, it's nothing but the finest. Originally it was a gravity-fed tank, but
Yeah.
when they turned it into a hot rod, they made the seat almost a foot or two lower.
Oh my gosh. People think they're driving hot rods to the show, and then Herb shows up. All right, I'm gonna get out at some point and walk around and show you the car show. Here we go.
Have fun, bud.
Thanks for the ride. I'm in about the center of the car show here, and it's kind of winding down. People are leaving, but I'll give you a 360 of what's going on here. Some beautiful Corvettes in front of me. And we'll walk around and see what I can find and pick out some of my favorite cars for the show here. I've already seen a few drive by. And 59 Impala convertible. It was gorgeous. And it looks like another Impala over there. Let's go check it out. I found a Camaro, so of course I got to look at this. 69 Camaro. Wish it was a 67 or 68. They're a little closer to the 68 we're building. But nevertheless, a cool car. Give you a go around on this. Nothing like we're building, but very, very cool. And there's the airplane that Dad's flag was on today. Sorry. Getting kind of choked up. We got the ROTC folks picking up the flags, and then they are bringing them back to where the folks can pick them up. So these, the flight went all over the historical places here in Ohio, and kind of a nice tribute. We had Dad's flag on a big flight today. Kind of cool, huh? So here's the airplane that flew all the flags around, and did quite a nice job. They stowed them around and flew around to all the different Lorain County sites. A little misty, huh? Very cool.